Say no to solar. Listen up and find out why solar companies hate me. Have you been approached by a solar company promising to save you money, promising to increase the value of your home? Well, I'm here to tell you, those are false. As a realtor, I come across many sellers who wish to sell their properties, and I can tell you in this video why solar panels will hurt you when you go to sell your home. Number one, solar companies are promising to increase your value of your home. At least that's one of their sales tactics. Solar panels do not increase the value of your home. They are personal property. They don't have anything to do with your real estate. So they do not increase your value of your home. And why is that important? Because when you go to sell your home, you're going to sell it according to what the homes in your area are selling for. So if you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, all brick, 2-car garage, 1/4 of an acre of a lot, it's going to be compared to other homes just like yours. So let's say your home, your square footage, exact home is selling for $350,000, but you have a $50,000 loan on the solar panels you have on your home. Well, when you go to sell your home isn't going to sell for the $350,000 comparable value plus the $50,000 you have in solar panels. Your home will be listed at the comparable rate of the $350,000. Well, why is that important? Well, you've got a $50,000 loan in solar panels. So when you go to sell your house for $350,000, that loan has to be satisfied. That solar panel loan has to be satisfied. You can't change hands of ownership of your home. So you're selling it for $350,000. You got a $50,000 loan on your solar panels. That means you, the seller, will have to pay off that loan, $50,000. Well, what if you owe $300,000? Okay, your home is listed for $350,000. You've got this $50,000 loan. It would be the same as a home equity loan. It has to be satisfied. It has to be paid off. Then you're going to pay closing cost. So if you owe $300,000 on your home loan, $50,000 on your solar panel loan, then you have closing costs. You're in the negative, and you literally are walking away having to pay to sell your house. So that's a negative. Now, maybe you might say, hey, well, the buyer can just assume my solar loan. Let's say your solar loan is $125 a month. So now your buyer is buying your house for $350,000. They're having a mortgage according to that sale price, but they're taking on your another $125 a month for the solar payment. Many buyers are out shopping. They're pre-qualified for a set amount to buy a home based on their current debt, like car payments, student loans, what have you. They are not pre-qualified for taking on the solar loan. Maybe they can, maybe they can't, but that's just another factor that they would have to qualify. Many buyers are not looking to buy a home and take on extra debt that doesn't increase the value of the home. So that is one scenario where it is very difficult to sell a house with solar panels with a current loan. Now, if you're happy with paying off the solar panels and selling your home at market value, that's great. However, now you've spent $50,000 that's not benefiting you, benefits the buyer, but it's not benefiting you. The second thing that a lot of people misunderstand is solar companies are offering a warranty. Well, that's great. Some will say they warranty roof repair if their solar panels cause damage, what have you. But let's just say that you've had the solar panels for 2 years and a thunderstorm came, hailstorm came, it damaged your roof, Now you need a new roof. You need new shingles, but your solar panels are mounted on your roof. Well, in that case, the solar panels will have to be removed for the new roof, and solar panels will have to be reinstalled. And you'll have to hire and you'll have to pay for the solar panel remover and solar panel reinstall. And that leads me to the next problematic area with solar panels. When you have solar panels installed on your roof, you have holes penetrated through your roofing material, such as shingles or metal roof, also penetrating through the roof decking, the plywood. So you've got holes going all the way through the roof. Many holes for the installation of the solar panels. Anytime you put a perforation or a hole through your roof, you're introducing a possibility of leaks. It may not leak right away, but in time, you have more chance of a roof leak. So on the roof is very, very risky. So then the other thing is that a lot of buyers don't want solar panels. We had a situation where we had a buyer wanted the house but didn't want the solar. So the seller paid to have the panels removed. So I hope you're kind of getting where I'm coming from. As a realtor, solar panels, in my experience, have cost individuals more money in the long run. The second part that I wanted to tell you about solar panels, which you may or may not know, yes, solar panels are going to reduce your utility expenses, your electricity expenses, but then you have your loan payment. So it's kind of a wash, maybe. But the big thing is that if you're getting solar panels because you want to protect your family from a power outage, loss of electricity, no lights, no heat, no air conditioning, the solar panels by themselves are not going to help you. That's not going to give you power. You have got to also have a battery power bank, and it takes a very large battery bank to service your whole house. You could get a smaller one to just run a couple of lights and maybe the heat, but to run your entire house and to run it for a few days is a much larger battery backup. So if anybody is quoting you solar panels and you're seriously thinking about it, please consider the battery backup, because you're going to need it. The solar panels aren't going to work without it. Anyhow, I hope this information is helpful. I'd love to hear from you. If you have solar on your house and you love it, comment below or send me an email. Tell me your story. I'd be happy to jump back on, do another video of a success story. If you've had negative experience, if what I have said touches you in a way because you experienced that, also comment below or shoot me an email and I will gladly share your story. I'll keep your name out of it, but I'd love to hear from you either way. You'll find my email address in my bio. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope this information was helpful. Talk to you soon.